I will be comparing the difference between a lace frontal wig as well as a teapot wig to help you choose the best lace type for you. A teapot only has one parting space or one parting area. The part can be anywhere. It can be in the middle, it can be to the side, it can be curved, it can be straight. Other than the part, with most wig companies, there's a very limited lace area or parting area along the rest of the hairline. That parting space or parting area along the hairline is usually an inch, so which makes it very difficult to tweeze out any hairs to create a natural hairline. So for teapot wigs, make sure that the wig comes pre-plucked and not too dense. Another thing to remember about teapot wigs that have very limited lace area or parting area along the hairline, it's that you need to remember that it is very impossible to create that frontal effect. So you will be forced to have the hair styled across your face, running across your face. You can't really make use of it to create that frontal effect. As you can see with this wig, this is a teapot wig. It's a very difficult, even my own hair is coming out. Sometimes you can even, if you don't mind, you can use your own hair. So then you're probably asking yourself, why would I buy a teapot wig? So this is the reasons why I believe teapot wigs are beneficial. So I think teapot wigs are great for those occasions where you don't mind your hair falling down onto your face. Teapot wigs are perfect for that. A teapot wig for me is perfect for beginners. This is a very beginner friendly type of wig. They are great get up and go wigs. You can wear them glueless, you can wear them with adhesives. You can do an install for a teapot wig in under 15 minutes. They're less expensive than lace frontals because there's less lace area or lace parting space. So if you're on a budget, teapot wigs are perfect. What is a full frontal wig or a frontal wig? In this case, we are using 13x4 frontal wig as our example. Full frontal wigs have individual hairs knotted or ventilated into the lace. The lace size of a full frontal wig can vary, but the most common lace sizes are either a 13x4 wig or a 13x6 wig. So because it has this very large area of individual hairs that are knotted, that are ventilated into that lace, the styling possibilities are quite endless. I think the only thing above that is either a full lace wig or a 360. You can create cornrows, you can create a zigzag part, a curved side part. You can create things like a half up, half down style. The thing about frontal wigs is that they are more labor intensive, so they're not as beginner friendly as a teapot wig. So they're better suited for either intermediate or advanced wig wearers. You as a beginner want to install a lace frontal, I'd say go to a hair stylist. So when it comes to frontal wigs, to create that natural looking, as if though the wig is coming from your own scalp, so if you want that look, that realistic wig install look, here you need to do two things. You need to make sure that either that hairline, the front of the hairline is pre-plucked, or you need to tweeze it yourself. You need to also make sure that the knots are very small, or you can bleach the knots. So if you are on a budget, maybe you might need to lay by, maybe you might need to save up because they are more expensive, and that is because it takes a long time to actually individually add hair into that lace area to create that lace frontal. So for this reason, I would say frontal wigs are very good as an investment. So if you want to see the correct way to install a lace front wig to achieve flawless results, then make sure to watch this video up on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.